Thank you. My name is Carlos Medina. I'm the owner here of Home Lift Pros. What you're viewing right now is a video for an installation that we did of a Handicare 2000 curved stair lift for the local VA here in Orlando. Some of the things that we like about this actual curved stair lift model is how tight it is actually around the curves. Most of the stairlift models that you'll find out there are a lot further from the wall than the Handicare 2000 itself. It's really why it's one of our preferred choices when it comes to this type of configuration. And another thing that we like about it is actually how smooth this thing rides up and down the stairs. One of the main reasons why it rides so smoothly up and down the stairs, and by smooth I mean not a lot of bumps, if any, is because Handicare a few years back reduced the amount of joints you have to put together during the installation process. This was, I believe, about five or six different rail pieces, where other manufacturers, they're going to be somewhere along the lines of 10 joints that you have to actually put in manually versus the machine putting them in manually, which is actually what creates the smoother ride. And yeah, so the weight capacity on this is about standard for a curved stair lift, which is 200 pounds. Another great feature here that I like is standard in all stair lifts pretty much, is the top swivel, so that you can mount safely off of the stair lift itself. Well, that's pretty much all there is for this on the Handicare 2000.